Hello guys, welcome to Tech Widgets, the ultimate destination for tech enthusiasts and gadget geeks. Here you will find a wide variety of tech reviews and hands-on demonstrations of the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. From smartphones and laptops to smart home devices and gaming consoles, we've got it all. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing in-depth analysis, honest opinions, and helpful tips to make sure you get the most out of your tech. So if you're looking to stay up to date with the latest technology trends and find the perfect gadgets to enhance your life, subscribe to our channel and join the Tech Widgets community today. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. 1. WAINLUX Z5 Handheld Metal Laser Engraving. The WAINLUX Z5 is a handheld metal laser engraving and cutting machine. It is designed to engrave and cut a variety of materials, including metal, wood, acrylic, and more. It features a high-power laser and precision control, allowing for detailed and accurate engravings. The device is portable and easy to use, making it suitable for both professional and hobby use. Some of the features include support for multiple file formats, including JPG, PNG, BMP, and more, adjustable laser power and focus, allowing for detailed and precise engravings, support for both online and offline engraving, safety features, including a laser safety goggles and a laser protection cover, support for both Windows and Mac operating systems. However, please note that laser engraving and cutting can be dangerous and requires proper training, safety equipment, and adherence to safety guidelines. It is important to use the machine under the guidance of a professional and to use protective gear such as goggles and gloves. 2. Pandora Portable Power Bank. A portable power bank, such as the Pandora Portable Power Bank, is a portable device that stores electrical energy and can be used to charge other devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. These power banks typically use rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, which can be recharged using a USB cable. The Pandora Portable Power Bank is a specific brand and model of power bank that is designed to be small and portable. It is likely to have a few of the following features. Asterisk high-capacity battery that can charge a device multiple times before needing to be recharged. Asterisk multiple USB ports for charging multiple devices at once. Asterisk LED indicators to show the remaining power level of the power bank. Asterisk compact and lightweight design for easy portability. Asterisk overcharge and short-circuit protection. Asterisk may have additional features like built-in flashlight and dustproof and waterproof design. It is important to check the capacity and output of a power bank before purchase to ensure that it can meet your charging needs. Additionally, be sure to read and follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines for proper use and care of the power bank. 3. LaCie. LaCie is a brand of computer storage devices and peripherals, including external hard drives, solid-state drives, and braided systems. The brand is owned by Seagate Technology and is known for its high-quality and stylish design. LaCie products are popular among photographers, videographers, and other professionals who need reliable, high-capacity storage solutions. 4. Ozobot. Ozobot is a small educational robot designed for children and students. It is meant to teach children about coding, robotics, and problem-solving in a fun and interactive way. The robot can be programmed using a variety of methods, including block-based coding, text-based coding, and even by drawing lines on paper. The Ozobot can read and respond to different colored lines and patterns, allowing children to create simple programs and games for the robot to follow. Features of Ozobot may include asterisk small size and lightweight design for easy manipulation, asterisk ability to read and respond to different colored lines and patterns, asterisk various sensors like IR, LED, and light sensors, asterisk ability to connect to a computer or mobile device via USB or Bluetooth, asterisk ability to use different apps and software to program the robot, asterisk compatibility with different platforms like Scratch, Ozobot, and more, asterisk ability to be integrated into different lesson plans and curriculum. It is a great tool for teaching children about STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and also helps children to develop problem-solving, critical thinking, and creativity skills. Don't miss out on the excitement. We know you're excited to see what's coming next, and we can't wait to share it with you. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Widgets channel. Don't leave the screen. You'll miss out on what's coming next. 5. DJI Mic. The DJI Mic is a versatile and high-quality microphone designed specifically for use with DJI's range of drones and other mobile devices. With its advanced audio processing and noise cancellation technology, it captures clear, crisp audio even in the most challenging environments. The mic is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and use on the go. The DJI Mic is also compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and cameras, allowing you to capture high-quality audio no matter what device you're using. With its durable design and advanced features, the DJI Mic is a must-have for anyone looking to take their audio recording to the next level. Whether you're a professional videographer or a hobbyist, the DJI Mic will help you capture the perfect sound every time. 6. Lenovo Go Tech Accessories Organizer. The Lenovo Go Tech Accessories Organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your tech essentials organized and easily accessible. Designed with the modern professional in mind, this compact and durable organizer features multiple compartments and pockets to store and separate items like chargers, cables, headphones, and more. Made with high-quality materials, it is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use, and its sleek design makes it the perfect companion for work or travel. The organizer also features a built-in USB port, so you can charge your devices on the go. With the Lenovo Go Tech Accessories Organizer, you can stay organized and connected no matter where your day takes you. 7. LifePod. LifePod is an innovative new device designed to provide a safe and comfortable living environment for individuals who need extra support and care. It features state-of-the-art technology, such as advanced monitoring systems, automatic medication dispensers, and voice-controlled assistants, all of which work together to ensure the well-being and safety of its occupants. With its sleek and modern design, LifePod is not only functional, but also visually pleasing. It is perfect for seniors, people with disabilities, or anyone else who needs a little extra help. With LifePod, they can live independently and with confidence, knowing that help is just a button press away. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts, comments. 8. Masking Master. The Masking Master is an all-in-one tool that allows you to apply, align, and cut the masking tape with just one hand and in a single movement. This makes masking not only 5 times but also safer. First, the blades always remain within the contours of the Masking Master, which means there is no risk of injury or damaging the environment. Secondly, you now always have one hand free to hold on securely and no longer need other work tools. To achieve a 100% seal of the window frame, the coating has to extend up to 1 millimeter or more on the glass. The distance allows the coating to reach, fill, and seal all visible cracks in the materials and transitions. This prevents moisture from entering the cracks, causing rot. 9. The Cube Club Pull-Up Bar. The Cube Club Pull-Up Bar is a versatile and durable piece of fitness equipment that is perfect for those looking to improve their upper body strength and endurance. It is designed to fit seamlessly into any home gym setup and can be easily mounted on any door frame, making it convenient and accessible to use at any time. The pull-up bar is constructed from heavy-duty steel and has a thick foam grip that provides a comfortable and secure hold while you exercise. The Cube Club Pull-Up Bar is designed to accommodate different grip positions, allowing users to target different muscle groups and achieve a full-body workout. It also has a weight capacity of up to 300 ohms, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, the Cube Club Pull-Up Bar will help you take your fitness to the next level. 10. Mecha Stand. Mecha Stands are fictional robotic devices that are often used in anime and manga series, as well as in video games. They are typically depicted as large, powerful machines that are controlled by a pilot or a group of pilots, and are often used in battle or other high-stakes situations. Mecha Stands are known for their intricate designs and advanced technology, and are often depicted as being highly customizable and adaptable to a wide range of tasks. They are a popular trope in science fiction and fantasy media, and have been featured in many popular anime series, such as Neon Genesis Evangelion, Code Geass, and many more.